This video is part of a Pixalate Know Your Developer research investigation from Pixalate's ad fraud and compliance team, and documents Pixalate's forensic traffic analysis of a mobile application identified as likely child-directed. The objective is to observe if the app properly signals a child user to the advertising ecosystem when installed on a device explicitly configured for a child, and if verifiable parental consent is obtained prior to the transmission of any data to third-party ad partners. Visit Pixalate.com for the full research report. Pixalate's traffic analysis of the Fallout Shelter app from the Apple App Store, developed by Bethesda Softworks, reveals a children's privacy compliance risk. The test was conducted on an iPhone running iOS 26.1 explicitly configured as a child's device via Apple's device profile settings. According to a manual review from Pixalate's Trust and Safety Advisory Board, the app is likely child-directed. There was no age gate and no verifiable parental consent observed prior to being served advertisements. Network logs reveal the app's communication with at least one ad SDK, which passes the COPPA flag marked as false, indicating a general or adult audience, despite the child-directed nature of the app and the test device's profile settings. In playtesting, the persistent identifier for vendors, or IDFV, was shared with COPPA flag marked as false. Alongside this persistent identifier, other user attributes were shared with ad partners including device make and model, user agent, internet connection type, battery percentage, time zone, jailbreak status, volume settings, internal free memory on the child's device, and more. Attributes that, when combined, are often used for device fingerprinting when the advertising ID is passed as all zeros, which it is when an Apple device is configured as a child's. This app lists 4 advertising platforms as direct partners on its app-ads.txt file. Additionally, outside of Pixalate's manual review, Pixalate's aggregate data shows that IP address and geolocation coordinates are also transmitted in the ad bid stream without VPC within this application.